Radio Free East Turkistan is a non-profit international broadcasting platform established by Uyghur Broadcasting Foundation in the Netherlands. Our mission is to expose the ongoing persecution and cultural genocide in East Turkistan, protect Uyghur identity in the diaspora, and pass our language, culture, and historical awareness to the next generation. This radio is not just a broadcast, it is the voice of a nation. Our purpose is simple. Let the world finally hear the truth of the Uyghur people.